So I think this is all about the data in the end. Mm-hmm. So, the difference that you're going to see in the future. So when I traveled to Korea, I can now get to my email in Korea because we moved it to DISA, and so it's in the big backbone. But when I want to get to my shared drives, they're still in the Pentagon. Mm-hmm. And doing a VPN from Korea to the Pentagon is a long way. And it was really hard. And so if you move the data to the cloud, then suddenly it's accessible from anywhere by authorized users, and the security is where it needs to be, and the latency is where it needs to be, and the performance is where it needs to be. We've been saying for years you need to separate data from apps, and we're finally seeing ourselves do that. And we're finally seeing the governance of designating authoritative data. And so people are reusing the authoritative data instead of stale data. And all that's a good trend. Data analytics are getting a lot better, and huge operational effectiveness as you do that. But in the end, I've said this before, this is going to be about strong governance, configuration management, network operations, a focus on ITIL services, which government IT guys would rather do technology, but this is really about ITIL services. So now, just give you a vignette. So I've got my government iPad, and when I'm at home or travel, I've got an app for UC or an app for a phone, right? When I get in the office, I put it in airplane mode, I plug it in, it becomes my telephone or my UC in my office. Okay, all that's good, but what do I do for a trouble ticket? That's going to be really hard to troubleshoot. And so if we don't have good ITIL processes for trouble ticketing, configuration management, and change management, we'll never be able to provide good quality IT to our users. And so we really, as IT executives, we've got to focus now on governance, configuration management, ITIL processes. In the end, this is good government work and a good partnership with industry. But the technology matters less from where I sit. It's more now about processes and governments.
Terrific.